This metalwork closet organizer system by Casa Custom features wooden drawers, closed dividers, and organizers. This system is to help maximize the storage capacity of closet. It offers plenty of space for all of clothing and accessories. Its sleek and modern design will fit perfectly into any home. With its durable construction and easy assembly, this metalwork closet organizer system is sure to help you keep your wardrobe neat and tidy for years to come. By maximizing the storage capacity of your closet, you can create an efficient and functional space to store your clothing and accessories. The system's easy assembly makes it convenient to set up without requiring extensive time or effort. Appears to be a practical and stylish solution for organizing your wardrobe and optimizing closet space. Follow us and get more details.